Hey, so the question is, can you turn a field into a lawn? The answer is, of course you can. I use a tractor, but all these tools you can get by with just hand tools. Do you need a tractor? No, but a brush hog on a tractor is faster than a brush cutter on a weed whip. But you definitely can use a weed whip and a chainsaw if you hit bigger trees and brush that you need to remove. Once you remove all of the ground cover, you're still going to be left with some sort of wood, and decaying wood soaks up nitrogen. You're going to have to use some sort of a rake. Again, I use a rake on the back of a tractor. You could also use a hand rake and a wheelbarrow to get rid of all the debris. Once you start getting rid of the debris, you got to bring it to a place that will accept it, either on the side of your lawn or what have you. So get rid of it. Once you get through all that, you're still going to have some tree stumps. And right here is where we start deviating. Now, you can rent a do it yourself stump grinder from, a Home Depot or your rental center. But you are going to have to address the stumps that are left. There will be some sort of stumps, and you will have to get rid of those if the desire is to reach a green turf lawn. Once you get done, you probably are going to have to till. Now, do you have to till? No, you could seed over the area, but a tiller is going to help level the land. It's going to help smooth the land. It's going to help recycle some of the organic matter back down into the soil and bring up clean soil. Depending on our end goal, you're going to have to take the site prep to different degrees. It could be that you just want to do a frost seeding or an overseeding with switchgrass or some sort of a prairie pasture, and you don't have to take it to the 11th degree. Other clients want to take a full on forest or brush or what have you and restore it back to a Kentucky bluegrass lawn, for example. Depending on our end goal is how we need to figure out how far we need to spend labor and money trying to turn the lawn. Notice the lawn before me is up to kind of that telephone box right in the middle of the screen, and everything before that, after that, is was just brush. It was just overgrown. It was nothing but weeds. To get it to a lawn style level, you're going to have to continue to work the lawn, continue to have to build up the seed bed prep to get it as flat and smooth as you desire. Once we've successfully completed our seed bed prep, now it's fertilizer and picking out the correct seed for your application. The application method, there's a few different ways. Probably the quickest, fastest, and one of the easiest ways is to run a hydro seeder, whereby we mix a slurry paper mulch, the seed, the fertilizer, everything together, and then we shoot it out of a fire hose or a cannon. I've went into another video showing the differences between sow seeding and hydro seeding. You can also use a seed box on the back of a tractor. Again, all these tools make life faster, but you can get near similar results depending on which application method you use, up to and including just a walk behind broadcaster and maybe a cultipacker to roll a seed in or drill the seed. A sprinkler will also work to help set the seed into the soil to get your seed to soil contact. What's left? Water it. Water, water, water. All these methods that I've showed you, you can do by hand tools or a few rented tools. Either way, this is definitely a project that you can tackle if you have the time. If time is the essence, well, hey, reach out to the Bulldog and see if I can complete your project. Whether you use your hand tools or you hire a tractor company to come and do it, the only thing that changes is the speed of which this project can be completed at, but all of them can get completed. Hey, thanks for watching in under 5 minutes how to transform a brush lawn into a turf lawn. Cheers from the Bulldog.